How to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. To stop Yahoo searches from Chrome, you have to catch and remove the culprit browser hijacker, which is a root cause. Follow these easy steps to do so. Step 1. Remove Yahoo using Settings. Open the Chrome browser and open Settings by selecting the three dots at the top right of Chrome. Choose the search engine of your choice from the drop-down list. Now, select the Manage Search Engine option. Click on the three dots next to Yahoo and choose Remove from List. Step 2. Remove web extensions from browser. You might have accidentally installed a malicious browser web extension that is causing the redirects. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Bring mouse cursor over More Tools and from Extended menu, choose Extensions. All the extensions would be on your screen. Look for the ones you want to disable or remove. Step 3. Reset web browser settings. If your browser is misbehaving because of browser virus, then reset its settings to default. Open Chrome and navigate to Settings. Click on Advanced. Under Reset and Cleanup, click on Restore settings to their original defaults. Select Reset settings on the next prompt. Relaunch your browser. If the Yahoo redirection is still happening on your PC, scan your PC with an anti-malware software. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, like, share and subscribe our channel.